I think there's possums. Kelly, that noise is coming from everywhere. I walked out the back gate. Right, the noise is in front of me. I come down to the corner where Mary's, like the corner there at the unit, and it's now it's now above me. It's moving. It's moving, but it's everywhere. No, no, I've not heard this before. This is not someone's air conditioner. If this was an air conditioner, it is everywhere. I mean, and now look, I'm walking back to my unit and it's in front of me. I go back to the corner. Hang on. Whatever this is. Oh wow. Something huge just flew over me, a bird. I could see it silhouetted against the sky. Ah! That thing just changed. That thing just changed. Like a musical tone. The revs have increased. If you're talking car, hang on. No. There's a jet. I can't see any lights. It just turned them on. Right above me, it just turned them on. I think I got that on camera, Kelly, I really do. I think I got that on camera. What is it? And there's nothing on the fucking tracking app. Oh, hang on, I've got to reset that. Damn. No, there's nothing on the tracking app. Whatever that is, it's not transponding. Yeah. Do you need to go again? Do I need to come to yours to take you to hospital? Okay. Are you outside or are you inside? That thing just flew over your house. That was the thing. Oh, wait, let me turn this off.